What is pouring medium? Pouring medium is an additive for paints, either acrylic or tempera, will work when you're trying to make this marble effect. So this is full strength acrylic paint, and you're going to mix it according to the directions on the back of these bottles. Either 1:1 or like 50%, 60%. It's kind of up to you on how much liquidy pouringness you want in your artwork. So the more of this you add, the thinner this paint gets, and this does not affect the color of the paint, just the consistency. So it will still dry and it will still be a vibrant color. It just makes it easier to tip and tilt your artwork before this dries and kind of stays in one spot. So as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. Pouring medium is not expensive, neither is acrylic paint. So you can pick these up for anywhere from $4 to $8, depending on what size you get. And you can also kind of experiment making your own pouring medium if you are out of this. So stick around for my next video. Thanks for watching.